Hello, I'm attorney Dan Scott. I do probate and estate work, and this is the last of a four-part video series on the appointment of conservators. The first video, I talked to you about what a conservatorship is. The second one, I talked to you about why a conservatorship would be appointed. And then the third one, I talked to you about the mechanics, how you go about getting a conservatorship appointed. Now, this is video number 4, and what I'm going to talk to you about now is what you do if you're the conservator. If you're the conservator of the person, you're going to look out for your ward. That is the person who needed the conservator. You're going to look out for them. You're going to make sure that they got medical care. You're going to make sure that they've got proper housing. You're going to make sure that they've got their physical needs satisfied. Okay. Sometimes you have to hire, on-site care for them. You may end up having to make the decision, the tough decision, that they need to go into a nursing facility, right? That's a tough decision, but remember that your responsibility is to look out for the best interest of your ward. And so you may have to make that very difficult decision. If you're the conservator of the person, the first thing you're going to do is set about gathering the assets. So you're going to get the bank accounts under control so that nobody can go out and disperse money, right? Because you're responsible to the court and to the ward about those assets that the ward has. And so you're going to consolidate those. You're going to make sure that her or his assets are under your control. If somebody's borrowed a car, if somebody's borrowed their motorcycle, if somebody's borrowed their ski boat, you need to get possession of it, because they don't need to have your ward's assets being used, driven, creating risk for your ward. You don't want that. So you control the assets, you manage the physical needs of the person, you look out for them. Remember that a conservatorship is for somebody who needs looking out for, and somebody who has somebody say, yes, I'm the one, I'll look out for them. And that person is you if you've sought the appointment of a conservator. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. If you're over on Facebook, like the page. If you know somebody that needs this information, feel free to share it. Sure would appreciate that. And guess what? They will appreciate it as well. If you got a question or comment, put them down below. I'll read those. Maybe your question will get answered on the next video. Look forward to hearing from you. Talk soon.